Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and today we've got a few things planned. It may span over a couple of days, but we'll see. Let's go and show you over here exactly what's going to happen. Garage doors, they're getting out of the way. The reason we're moving these is because the Sprite Musketeer 1979 Classic is getting ripped apart. Quick look inside. As you can see, it has seen much better days. That's not keeping the rain out at all. So the plan is, now that the digger's working, we're going to get the digger and I'm just pretty much going to rip this apart. Use the digger to move these out the way, because between me and Holly it's a little bit too difficult. So it's going to get the digger, rip it apart, get the grinder, cut it all up, put it out front, so hopefully some scrap people want to take away a bit of scrap. So let's get to it. I love having this thing back. Right, so now what we have to do is move these garage doors. I'm going to use the digger to sort of lift them up, and I don't actually know where I'm going to put them yet, but we'll work that out when we get there. We're going to try and drag these rather than use the digger, just because trying to get a rope around them has been proving to be quite difficult. Plus, Holly just wanted to jump on the chance of getting in the digger and having another go. What is that you're wearing there? Check out the t-shirt. Merch, link in description if you're interested. Right, yeah, that'll do there. What's that you got there?
A new poncho that I found after the caravan.
You look like a complimentary condom. This is not sponsored by RAC.
There might be one for you. Oh,
do I get one?
Sweet. Sweet. I told you there's food.
What?
Oh wait, keeping you sweet.
Keeping you sweet?
Oh my god, I think they actually give you food in case you break down.
I'm not being funny, Holly, but this is the thumbnail.
No way.
Go on, what is it?
Sweets!
It's not sweets.
It's oh, it's sweets.
Oh my god. Okay. How old do you reckon this is?
Well, how old's the caravan? Oh, they're not sweets anymore.
I want to eat one.
Wait, they might not have been sweets. It might just be... I swear it's like space food.
Well, here, you swap over and I'll eat one.
No.
Yeah, I'll eat it.
No, you won't.
Let's have a look
well,
at
at least open it.
I'll have a look. Does it have a year on it? Because I want to know what year this is.
We'll look at that after you've eaten it.
Alright, okay. I'm going to open it. I might not eat it.
It's more of a liquid.
Apparently, they're Belgium's best, so I'm guessing it's chocolate. I'm not eating that.
Oh, why is it green?
I reckon they're boiled... Oh, it's menthol.
Does it actually just taste fine?
I don't know.
Maybe it's in case you can't brush your teeth.
I don't know if I'm... I bet it was white once upon a time and it's gone like septic.
If it tastes
it tastes like I've just brushed my teeth.
Oh really?
Do you want to try some?
No.
I can't believe I'm eating a sweet that I found underneath a 50-year-old caravan.
Let's open the other packet. There's a whole bag full.
Oh my god, you sounded well excited. Do you reckon they're different flavours?
No, I mean there's a whole bag down there.
Oh, of freebies.
That's where I found it, yeah.
Yeah, this one's a different colour green. This one's less
mouldy.
Maybe this is what happens when the coronavirus started. Someone licked a sweet they found under a caravan.
Or someone ate a bat.
Or someone. That one didn't taste mint.
Hold this, I want to open this next thing.
What have you got in there?
Apparently it's a potential choking hazard for children.
A potential choking hazard? What you got?
I think we might have some trousers to go with my poncho. I don't know, it's the same colour. Oh wait, this is bizarre. Do you still get these?
I don't know. Does anyone work for the RAC? Do you still get these weird little packs? What is it?
Oh, it's a little puzzle when you get bored. Oh, look how fresh it is. I need a date for this.
There's got to be a date somewhere.
I love that we're making out like we've dug this up like it's like hundreds of years old. It's probably about 5 years old.
Yeah, it's probably like the mid-90s or something.
Ooh. I don't think I'm going to find a date there.
What's in that red thing?
Ooh.
We've got treasure, have we?
We've got some Vaseline.
Get out, Holly.
Party
How old
time.
are you?
Yeah. Younger than you.
Yeah, they'll leave it at that. What's that in there?
Oh my god, it's
A first aid kit.
and it's wrapped up. Can we open it?
Why? Do you need first aid?
No, but we'll actually keep this.
Okay.
It's fresh. Look how red that is.
I don't think the colour of it determines how good the stuff is inside it.
Oh, maybe something got into it.
I hope no one
Bit
found
of
out.
air. Oh! I was not expecting that.
Go on, what's in it?
I don't know, but it's not fresh.
Oh my god.
What is that?
That, Holly, is a very, very minging old.
There's some moist wipes.
I'm not eating anything out of there. Anyway,
Enough of this.
should we continue on with taking this caravan down? This is why it takes us so long to do anything.
It
We
really
get
does.
preoccupied with like poncho. You look like a right idiot. Right, let's chuck it. We've had our fun. I've licked a sweet. You've got a poncho.
We've got some moist wipes.
Right, let's get back to work. We've managed to get the bit of paperwork out and it says 21st of the 10th, 02. And what was it you said shortly after that, Holly?
You just licked an 18-year-old sweet.
So I've been eating 18-year-old sweets.
And I'm
And
wearing an 18-year-old poncho.
And you're what?
Wearing an 18-year-old poncho.
18-year-old poncho. Anyway, the sweet was okay. I don't think I'm going to turn into the Incredible Hulk anytime soon. But as I said, we're going to clear this up and get back to you. Learning from our mistakes when we took down the greenhouse, we are going to cut out all of the glass first with the nice angle grinder so we don't have to pick up broken glass. Right, all of the windows are out, no glass to worry about. I mean, there's a mirror, we probably should take that off, but Holly is eager and ready to go. Go on,
Yeah?
start her up and knock her down.
I swear this channel is just me starting the digger rub. Being happy.
Holly's digger starting channel. Just go all the way up in the roof and drag it out. That's as high as it goes. Just drive straight into it. Just drive straight into it. There we go.
Whoa!
Yeah, pull it.
But I'm lifting up.
Oh, just drive backwards then.
Oh!
Drive the whole thing backwards. Just drive the whole digger backwards. Hey? Yeah, I want to have a go. Hell yeah. I think we've just straight up made a massive mess. I'll try and crunch it all together.
Huh?
I'll try and squish it together a little bit.
Okay.
Sort of. We have most definitely made more of a mess than originally thought. That's what a caravan looks like when he's been hit by a digger. And I have piled up the metal parts of it, and I'm going to go and chuck it out front, and hopefully someone's going to come and take it away. And Holly, what are you up to?
Trying to figure out. Well, I'm trying to light a fire.
We're going to have a fire as we go, because all that wood, rather than just stacking it up here ready for a fire, we're just going to chuck it straight on the fire and get it over and done with. Shall I leave you to build your fire?
I feel under pressure.
Alright, I'll go over here then. So we're going to set up a fire, burn all this, and then the base, the actual like the part, like I guess the axle and all that it's actually attached to, I've got my disc grinder over there. The actual one, like the actual caravan, the actual part of the caravan, not this flimsy stuff. I'm going to have to cut up with the grinder and put that out the front with the rest of this metal as well. So it looks like we've got a fair old job to do here, Hole?
Yeah.
Anyway, we're going to start doing all this and we'll get back to you. Will we get back to them, or should we just... You'll see us.
Maybe, maybe not. Maybe if you stick around, we might. Maybe if you subscribe.
She's getting good at this. Subscribe to see us burning a caravan, and also go and follow me on Instagram, Rodin_builds, because I guess we're going to put a story up of this monstrous fire, because I seem to be making fires far too big for this fire pit. Anyway, we're going to start tidying up. There we go. Once there was a caravan, and now there is just a little bit of metal and a couple of wheels. It's a bit late in the day now, it's like 7:45, something like that, so I don't have enough time to get the grinder out and cut this up, because I don't want to upset the neighbours with the loud grinder, so we'll do that first thing in the morning. A couple of things I want to show you. One, I didn't realise you could fit an entire caravan in a fire pit. I think basically all the wood that was in the caravan we put in here, and all the metal is stacked up out here next to the skip. So hopefully someone can come along, see that, and be like, knock on the door, say, excuse me, may I have your old caravan? And I will say, help yourself. Like I said, it's about 8 o'clock now, so we are going to leave it there for today, and I'll come back to you guys tomorrow. So see you shortly. It's the next day, guys. Welcome back. I've got the grinder out ready, so we're just going to go straight ahead and start cutting this up and get it out of the way. So let's go. And we're all done. The caravan is completely gone. Tied it up nicely. That horrible eyesore is now in the skip. And also, I don't know if you can notice, but behind us, the leftovers of what was the greenhouse is now been completely filled in. We didn't really want to take on doing another greenhouse or anything like that for a couple of reasons. One, we didn't think we'd end up actually using it enough. And two, well, actually three. And two, we've obviously got the house. But three, the reason we cleared this this caravan out of the way is because there's going to be another project coming in its space. However, it's got nothing to do with a house. It's got nothing to do with bricklaying. It's got nothing to do with building. So it won't be on building. Nah, maybe a little bit. Yeah, I suppose a little bit of building. Yeah. But my point is, it's not going to be on this channel. So if you are interested in what happens with this space or what is going to go in this space, it's not a permanent thing. Then go and check out my other channel, Rodin Vlogs. I'll leave a link for it down in the description. And when are we going to be doing this?
When we can buy
the thing that we want to buy. Okay, so we were due to buy this thing that's going to go there.
Last week? Yeah,
last week. But the long and short of it is we didn't get it. Obviously, otherwise it would be here. So we're not 100% sure when it's going to be. because we're trying to find another one of these things. I don't really want to tell them what it is.
No, that's fine.
So, but yeah, if you are interested in something that maybe have a little bit of building, but not like a house or bricklaying or anything like that, then go and check out my other channel, and it will all be there. I may tease it on this channel when we get it, but apart from that, go and subscribe over there. Is there anything you want to say, Holly? I probably said that really loudly in your face then, didn't I?
No.
No.
As
Okay,
always.
yeah, as always. Right, we'll leave it there for today. So please do leave a like down below if you've enjoyed this episode. Subscribe if you aren't already. Ring the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a video. And Holly,
We'll see you in the next one.
we'll see you in the next one. So see you later. Ta-ra.